Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up Roku Ultra. Let's go. Step 1. Connect the Roku Ultra to the power supply and to the HDMI cable. Connect HDMI cable to TV. Open source. Select HDMI or Roku input. Pair the Roku remote control or use the remote control from the main TV. Select language. Connect Roku Ultra to Wi-Fi. If you have a Roku account, select Enter your email address. A device activation link will be sent to the email address. If you don't have a Roku account, select Scan QR code. Scan the QR code and create a Roku account. After that, you will be able to use Roku Ultra. That's it. Now you know how to set up Roku Ultra. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.